Regulators. We regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good, too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
It was a clear black night, a clear white moon in the view on the street. Some skirts for the evening so I could get some phone rolling.
Well, you guys shooting already?
Yeah.
Hold it real tight. That's what it is. It's not enough time for the shell to come out. So when you hold it real tight, you break your wrist. So the gun doesn't have enough time for the shell to come out.
Yeah. Yeah, it was.
I'm breaking myself. They taking my 12, they took my ring. I looked at the brothers. I can't believe it's happening in my own town. If I had wings, I would fly. Let me contemplate. I glance in the cut and I see my homie Nate.
16 in the